So I don't know who needs to hear this, but all of your weight loss issues will go away overnight once you stop consuming so much sugar. It's not your workout routine. It's not the fact that you're eating past 8 o'clock. It's not even the fact that you're not drinking water, even though water is very, very important. However, none of that matters if you're overeating too much sugar. Sugar is a major contributor to the obesity epidemic, and a diet high in added sugar, such as the ones found in sweetened beverages, candy, baked goods, sugary cereals, is a major contributing factor to the weight gain epidemic in the United States. But there's some good news.
Tell me.
Hurry up.
Cutting back on added sugars can help prevent weight gain, reduce your risk of chronic health conditions such as diabetes and heart conditions. So of course, eliminating the sugar will greatly reduce your health. But what does that really mean? And what happens in your body when you eliminate it from your diet? In this video, we're going to share 10 things that happen to the body when you stop consuming sugar. So if you need a little bit of motivation to beat those late night cravings, make sure you watch to the end and don't forget to subscribe. Starting with number 10, and this is probably the one that gets overlooked the most, but it's about your vision. Your vision will greatly improve once you stop consuming so much sugar. Too much sugar can damage your eyesight by causing problems such as cataracts and glaucoma. If your blood sugar level changes from going like super low to super high, it can cause your vision to get blurry, okay? Your vision goes back to normal after your blood sugar stabilizes, but those people with chronic high blood pressure levels are more at risk of developing eye diseases like these problems. So to improve your eyesight, you may want to say bye-bye to sugar. And a lot of times people don't realize this until they are diabetic and they have cataracts or glaucoma. Number 9 is probably one of the most important ones, but when you stop eating so much sugar, the cravings for the sugar will go away.
Do you have cravings?
Crave all the time, constant craving.
We've all been there. You're trying to be good, you're really trying to cut back on the sugar, but then those cravings come in, right? And it's just so hard to resist them. So you end up going back. First of all, sugar is a highly addictive substance that messes with your brain's reward system. This can make you feel like you need more sugar to feel good or even normal. That's why sugar is often called empty calories. It provides no nutritional value whatsoever and instead will fuel your cravings that will only make you feel worse later on. And it also makes you want more sugar. But you will notice after a few days of eating little to no sugar, those cravings will subside.
Thanks, I don't eat sugar. I try to eat only natural things.
And you won't have those horrible cravings and headaches. So if this is you, just stick to it a little longer. It gets better and you're gonna feel amazing. Number 8, and this is a really important one too, but your skin will greatly improve once you reduce the level of sugar in your diet, okay? Sugar causes acne, dryness, and wrinkles. It can also make your skin look dull and rough. So if you've been struggling with acne or any other skin problems, it might not be your skincare routine. It might just be the fact that you're eating too much sugar. Eating sugar causes your blood sugar to spike and then crash, leading to many other problems, including increased inflammation, which is the root cause of a lot of issues. So cut back on your sugar and see how fast your skin condition and texture improves drastically. Number 7, you'll no longer feel the urge to urinate so much at night.
And I really need to pee. Do ghosts pee?
You don't need your mouth to pee.
One of the most unexpected benefits of cutting sugar intake is that it will decrease the urge to urinate. Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night feeling like you have to pee? It's not fun, is it? And it messes up your sleep. Well, here's a tip that can help. Stop eating sugar. Sugar causes your body to retain water by keeping your kidneys from properly excreting it. When this happens, your kidneys have no choice but to keep trying to eliminate all that extra fluid by making you pee. This is because sugar is a diuretic, making you pee more. When you stop consuming sugar, you'll go through fewer trips to the bathroom. Number 6 is very important, especially for my people who are diabetic, pre-diabetic, or who have PCOS. But it will improve your insulin resistance. Cutting back your sugar will greatly improve your insulin resistance. Too much sugar is one of the most common causes of this condition, and cutting it out of your diet can be literally life-changing, okay? So insulin resistance is basically when your body does not respond as it should to insulin or use it well enough to transport glucose out of your bloodstream and into your cells where it can be used as fuel. so it just builds up in your bloodstream. It also means a relatively slower metabolism. So getting rid of the extra sugar in your diet not only helps you improve your fatty liver situation, but it also will improve your insulin resistance and also reduces the risk of diabetes, heart disease, strokes, and even cancer. I've had so many clients one-on-one that had these issues, and with just a couple tweaks to their diet and eliminating certain sugars and foods, we were able to greatly reduce diabetes. Like they were lowering their medications or completely off of their medications with just some changes to your diet. Number 5 is you will be so much more energized, okay? Sugar spikes your energy levels sky high and then it drops it down really quickly. This leaves your body in a low energy state looking for more sugars and carbohydrates to burn. This means that instead of burning fat like your body should be doing, it just stores it away again as extra fat in your body. So limiting sugar is the way to go if you want to lose weight and feel more energized. That way, the body will resort to burning fat to produce energy instead of breaking down the sugar. Our bodies have a lot more calories from stored fat than stored sugar. To be more clear, it's over 100,000 calories of stored fat in the normal body and only 1,700 calories of stored sugar in our bodies. So getting your energy from fat is like running your body on a car battery versus a AAA battery. The difference is huge.
There is a huge difference, Lucifer.
So limiting these sugary foods and drinks and watch your body transform. If you suffer from fatigue and you're tired all the time, I guarantee you a lot of it has to do with your diet. There's not enough coffee in the world will help you fix your diet. Number 4, your face and your body shape will improve significantly. When you cut out sugar from your diet, you'll start losing weight around your stomach area first because that's where most people store most of their fat. When there's no sugar for your energy production, the fat stored in your body will be the only energy source. So especially the fat on the waist area, ladies. After losing some weight here, you'll start noticing changes in other areas like your face and your hips too. You will notice visible slimming down of the face in just about 2 weeks of eliminating sugar from your diet, making it look less swollen, rounded, and puffy. So if you want a more slimmer, you want a more toned appearance, the first thing to start will be either limiting or greatly reducing the amount of sugar in your diet. Number 3, almost done. So when you stop eating sugar, your brain, your arteries, and your kidney functions will improve dramatically, okay? So of course, kidneys are responsible for a lot of vital functions in the body. Excessive sugar consumption can lead to kidney disease called diabetic nephropathy. I cannot say this word, but I'll put it here, okay? But it's a complication of either type 1 or type 2 diabetes, all right? Sugar can also cause high blood pressure, which affects the flow of oxygen to the brain, leading to memory loss and dementia, as well as depression and other anxiety disorders, okay? So cutting out sugar, you will see an increased focus, concentration, and memory improvement. Sugar causes inflammation in the arteries and a rusting effect, which hardens them, making them less elastic and more likely to tear open over time, leading to heart attacks, strokes. Both are life-threatening conditions. Most people have been taught that eating saturated fat causes these problems, but it's not. It's not, guys. It's all the sugar in your diet, not the fat. Number 2, less inflammation and pain. Getting your body to heal itself after an injury or a surgery is hard. You have to make sure you're getting the right nutrients and taking care of yourself so that your body can repair itself. But there's one thing that makes this even harder, and it's sugar. So sugar causes more inflammation in the body, which can lead to more pain after the surgery. When you eliminate sugar from your diet, it will significantly improve the healing process. You'll heal faster and you'll feel a lot better. Also, you will see a significant improvement in the pain in your joints if you have arthritis. So number 1, and probably the one you've all been waiting for, but of course you will lose weight. I mean, who doesn't want to look slim, right? Think about it. This is probably the most important and sought after benefit of consuming less sugar. It's simple science, you guys. Sugar is a carbohydrate, and when we eat carbohydrates, they're broken down into glucose by the body. If there aren't enough carbohydrates in your diet for your body to use for energy, it will begin breaking down the fat on your body for fuel instead. So if you're eating too much sugar on a daily basis, your body won't have enough glycogen stores and will start to break down the fat in your body. Okay, so this fat reduction will cause you to lose those extra pounds you've always wanted to, and you're gonna look and feel great. And here's the thing, guys, when I say sugar, we're not just talking about candy. We're talking about all of the foods that contain any added sugar. okay? A lot of the foods that we eat on a regular basis, you don't even realize that they're adding extra sugar. Things like condiments, tomato sauce, your bread. Your bread has, of course, carbs, but a lot of companies add added sugar to the bread you eat. Certain yogurts have extra added sugar. All of these foods that are in the health aisle, they all have added sugar in it. So I want you to start looking at the food labels and looking at foods that have extra added sugar. Okay, there's a difference between sugar that's already in food, such as fruits, but then there are foods that have added sugar. Okay, so we want to try to reduce all of that added sugar as much as possible. The less added sugar you have on a regular basis, the more you'll see results when it comes to your weight loss. And of course, you want to combine the lower sugar levels with the higher protein intake. So of course, ladies, if you're looking for a really great supplement to add some more protein to your diet, you might want to check out HerNutrilife.com. We have the best tasting protein in the world. We have chocolate and we have vanilla, and we also have a bunch of other great products such as our powdered greens, which is a great way to get some extra veggies in your diet, as well as our fat loss support capsule, which is great for getting that extra edge when it comes to your weight loss. You're going to get extra focus, and also is a great appetite suppressant. All right, ladies, there you have it. Those are the 10 things that happen to your body once you start eliminating excess sugar out of your diet. So let me know down in the comments, are you going to start decreasing your sugar intake? What are some tips that I just mentioned that you're going to try to incorporate into your daily lifestyle? Let me know in the comments, ladies, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, ladies.